My name is Shae Welner, and I am in the Community and Justice program, currently enrolled in semester 2.
My name is Sidney Foss. I'm in the second semester of Community and Justice Services.
I came to the open house and I walked into the classroom and I saw the cell and I met Karen and I was like, this is it. And you know, Karen was so great at explaining the program to me, and I just knew that this was the one for me, for sure.
I think the thing that I like the most about the program in general is that it's a lot of hands-on experience. Also with the professors, teachers, they are all basically from the community. They have large experience, so it's like first-hand knowledge. It's nice to get to see the different types of jails or institutions and see how things are ran differently, because they're not all the same and they're definitely not what they look like in the movies.
I think so far the experience has been incredible. I don't even think I could put into words the experience that I'm gaining just in the first 2 semesters. I haven't even started my third, and second semester I already have picked my career. I know where I want to go, and it's just pushed me to really find myself and where I want to be.